Today I'm going to show you how to turn on notifications on WOP, step by step, so you can make sure you never miss important updates, messages, activity alerts, or account notifications. This is really helpful if you want to stay on top of new followers, AI chat messages, bounty claims, or payment issues without constantly checking the app yourself. If you find this tutorial useful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech walkthroughs like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to whop.com and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on your home feed. That's important because the settings menu is easiest to access from the main interface. Now look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile avatar or icon. This will open your account options. Inside that menu, find the gear icon located directly to the right of your username. Click that gear icon to open your account settings. This is where WOP keeps all of your personal settings, including notification preferences, profile options, and account controls. Once your settings page opens, look at the left-hand navigation sidebar. You'll see several different categories there. Click on Notifications. This will take you to the Notifications control panel, where you can choose exactly what kind of alerts you want WOP to send you. At the top of the Notifications page, you'll usually see general settings like pop-up notifications and sound effects. If you want WOP to alert you visually on screen, turn on pop-up notifications. If you want a sound to play whenever something happens, turn on sound effects as well. These options are useful if you want a more noticeable alert system. Now scroll down to the Activity section. This is where WOP gives you specific notification toggles for different events. You may see options like AI chat message, AI chat question, bounty claimed new follower, payment failed, and other activity-based alerts. This section is especially useful because you can choose only the alerts that matter to you. To turn on a notification, simply click the switch next to it. When it's enabled, the toggle will turn blue. That means the alert is active and WOP will notify you when that event happens. If there are some notifications you don't want, just leave those turned off. That way you can keep your alerts clean and avoid unnecessary distractions. The best part is that WOP saves your changes automatically. So once you've turned on the notifications you want, you don't need to click a save button or confirm anything extra. You can just exit the settings and your preferences will remain active. If you ever want to come back later and adjust these again, just repeat the same steps. Open your profile menu, click the gear icon, go to Notifications, and toggle whichever alerts you want on or off. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. And that's it. You now know how to turn on notifications on WOP. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.